Today I'm going to show you how we are going to take the response sheet, that is spreadsheet, which I every time give it to you, and how to fix form limit, right? Form limit, that is time, how you are going to set the time. Though many of you are knowing this thing, I felt I should give a video so that you can understand it properly. Fine. This is my mail ID through which I am going to make Google form. My Google form is already created. So this is my mail ID. I will open my Google Drive. I will click on this grid and this will appear. In this I will click on Drive. Fine. Now this thing will appear. Now here, this untitled form, this is my form. I have already created, I told you. This is my untitled form. What I will do is, this message appears. You currently have 15 GB drive. I will continue. I'll click on continue. And untitled form, I will name here class 6A answer sheets. Class 6th. If you are teaching 4th A, then you will write 4th A and then answer sheets. This should be your name. This will help you out to find out your form. Then I have written write your roll number, choose your class and section. You can see that. Write your name, attach your answer sheet in PDF. Now you can see what all things I have mentioned in this. These are the things. Fine. Right. Then after that, now I have, for example, tomorrow I am having exam, English exam for 6th standard, for example. So now add-ons I have to add. Form limiter. What I will do is I will click on this 3 dots. There I will click on add-ons. Then form limiter. This one is appearing over here. In your file, if it doesn't appears in your window, you can search over here form limiter, and this is the logo for that, right? I'll click on that. I will install, and then here it is written continue. I am giving permission. Fine. Then I give permission and they have to log in. This is my mail ID through which I have made the form, and I want to add on this form limiter in this, and I will allow. Scrolling, I will allow this thing. Now it's moving. It's done. This has been installed. Okay. Now I'm coming back. I will close this one. And then I'm coming back over here. If I click over here, I can see this form limiter. I have to click on form limiter. I will click on set limit. And then this will appear. Here I will select date and time. Then date, tomorrow's date. Tomorrow is 21. I will click on 21. Then time. If I want to set the time, I want the response to be stopped at 1 o'clock. I will write over here. This is already written 1. Now it's AM. I want to change it into PM. So at PM, 1 PM, it will stop. I will click on the set. And then here this message is appearing. Message when submissions are closed. This I will delete. I will just only keep over here. The form, this form is no longer accepting responses, right? Now, what I will do is, the next step is, I will click on save and enable. Fine. So, my form limiter, I have set the time for tomorrow, 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock, it will stop accepting response automatically. You don't have to do anything. Fine. Now, the next thing is, what you have to do is, you have to see the response. Now I have got 4 response, you can see over here. You want to know how many children have sent a response. I will click on this response. This will appear. Fine. You can see down, when you scroll down, you can see this much responses I have received. Now in this way your responses will be seen. But how you will come to know who have sent the response? For that, what you will do is, you will click on this green color sign. This is spreadsheet. Click on it and this will appear. Fine. When you click on it, my spreadsheet was already ready, so it automatically showed over here. But for you, what you have to do is, it will show another window where it will show create worksheet, and you will click on create, and this will appear. See, you can see the numbers are 12406A, right? Write your roll number, choose your class and section, write your name, ACRJ. Now this is not in alphabetical order. When it is in alphabetical order, automatically the number will also come. So I want to put in alphabetical order. What I will do is, I will select timestamp upper. From this timestamp, I will select till attach your answer sheet in PDF. Then I will click on data. Then I will click on create a filter. And then I will click on write your name. There I will click on sort A to Z. Automatically it will arrange itself in alphabetical order. This is a very important step that you have to do. You have to create a filter. Create a filter means from timestamp se lekar last tak you will select, and then you will click on data, then you will click on filter, and then this logo sign will appear. That means you have created a filter. If you want to sort out with roll numbers, see is 1204. If you want to sort it out, you just have to click over here in this way. So it will appear 0, 1 to 4. So it will automatically arrange itself, right? So this is your spreadsheet. Now close the spreadsheet. In your Google Drive, this spreadsheet will appear. See, this is that spreadsheet, untitled form response sheet. Fine. This is a spreadsheet. Now you have to download it. What you will do, you will right click over here, click on download, and you can see it is converting to Excel and it is downloaded over here. Now where will this folder be shown? For that, left click karna, show in folder, and it will show over there. See, my form, the downloaded one is in downloads. This is that response sheet. In this way, you can respond. You can save the response. Okay, I think I am clear with this thing.